we go.
Because this is a Miele W1. Has an inner light on. You can see it is.
So what's in it? Let's look.
Play-Doh.
Look at the water. That's disgusting.
And it's making my ball clothes clean. I thought, here's a box of a Play-Doh.
Do you think it's making them clean or dirty?
Dirty.
That water's very...
Oh,
let me see.
And I put it in my Miele W1.
Let me see it. Let me see the Play-Doh.
Hey guys, I have some. Don't have any glasses. I don't have any glasses. Like I don't see. I have a child called Chubby, and he got his clothes dirty, and you can see at work how dirty that sock is.
Should we put some more water in?
Yeah. So here's Eco.
There you go then.
Here we go then. Yes, it fill up with a more dose to walk.
Right,
Is it?
then.
It's a more you could went to his partner.
It's coming in.
Chibi put a Play-Doh in a washing machine.
Oh, is this Tubby that did it?
Chibi put it in for fun. He thought it was nice, but it wasn't. He put you see that jeans is getting where he does.
Are gonna be, look, you can just see the little tiny bits of Play-Doh.
You can see it as a sock.
They look like little peas.
There's a sock in there. I don't think I might be getting my sock clean. If it gets as a sock, there's a sock in there.
I don't think everything's getting clean in there, is it?
Yeah.
Oh. What else is there? See the sock?
You can see that blue stripy one. It's a sock. There's one white in there. You can see there's something white and with white stripes on it. There it is. You can see it's going in. Still washing, but with now into. Still has water in it. It's spinning around. You can see it's going that way. On Logics, it sometimes can be a little bit naughty on Logics, but on these it's very quiet. See, I think a little Play-Doh on the spinny bed. It's going around.
See if I can see it.
It's a Play-Doh.
I can't see it anymore because it's so dirty.
Yeah, it's a Play-Doh. That's Play-Doh on that side.
I can't even see the Play-Doh now.
No, look.
Dirty.
See how it's some.
Oh, I saw a bit.